राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna Prabhu. Thank you.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी थैंक यू
Hare
प्रणाम
Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
Hare Krishna. Welcome everybody. Gayatri
Hare
Mataji,
Krishna,
Hare Krishna, sir.
Dharmesh, Raj, Rohan, Anil,
Hare Krishna.
Manish, Shreya, Shreera.
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी।
Hare Krishna. So 7 shloka today.
हरे
Yes,
कृष्णा
sir.
प्रभु जी।
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo
भगवते
Bhagavate
वासुदेवाय
Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo
ओम नमो
Bhagavate
भगवते
Vasudevaya.
वासुदेवाय
Om Jnanatimidandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya
लाखया
Chaksurmilitam Yena
चक्षुरुन्मीलितं
Tasmai
येन
Shri
तस्मै
Gurave Namo
श्रीगुरवे नमः
Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Krishna
कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते
Bhutale
भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामी
Namaste Saraswate Deve
Devi
Gauravani
गौरवाणी
Vishesha
Shunyavadi
भाष्य प्रदिष्टानि
Jai
Jai Shri Krishna
चैतन्य
Chaitanya
प्रभु
Prabhu
नित्यानंद
Nityananda
श्री
Shri
अद्वैत
Advaita
गदाधर
Gadadhara Shivasari
श्रीवासादि
Gaura
गौर
Bhakta
भक्तवृंद
Hare
Vrinda
Krishna Hare
हरे
Krishna
Hare
कृष्ण
Krishna
कृष्ण कृष्ण
Krishna
हरे
Krishna
हरे
Hare Hare
Hare Ram
हरे राम
Hare
राम
Rama
राम
Rama
राम
Rama
हरे
Rajo Radma Kamam Vidhi
Rajo
रजोरात्मकं
Ragatmakam
विद्धि
Vidhi
Krishna Sangha Samudbhavam
कृष्णा
संग
संगसमुद्भवम्
समुद्भवम्
Udbhavam
Ta Nibatnati Kaunteya
Tani Badnati
Nibanti
निबध्नन्ति
Kaunteya
कौन्तेय
Kaunteya
Karma Sangena Dehinam.
Karma Sangena
कर्मसङ्गेन
Dehinam.
देहिनम्।
देहिनम्
The mode of passion is born of the unlimited desires and longing of Sanakunti, and because this one is bound to material fruitive activities. Yes, this is who is going to read this. Shri Ramji, padiye.
हरे कृष्णा प्रभु जी।
Yeah,
Purport.
The mode of passion is characterized by the attraction between man and woman. Woman has attraction for man, and man has attraction for woman. This is called mode of passion. And when the mode of passion is increased, one develops the hankering of material enjoyment. He wants to enjoy sense gratification. For sense gratification, a man in his mode of passion wants more, wants some honor in society or in the nation, and he wants to be happy. He wants to have a happy family with nice children, wife, and house. These are the products of mode of passion. As long as one is hankering after these things, he has to work very hard. Therefore, it is clearly stated here that he becomes associated with the fruit of activities and thus becomes bound by such activities. In order to please his wife, children, and society and keep up his prestige, one has to work. Therefore, the whole material world is more or less in the mode of passion. More civilization is considered to be advanced in the standards of the mode of passion. Formerly, the advanced conditions was considered to be mode of goodness. If there is no liberation from those in the mode of goodness, what of those who are entangled in the mode of passion? Hare Krishna.
Okay. Okay. So this is goodness we discussed. Goodness itself is binding last time. Hana? As such, it is the best, but it may be binding because why it is binding sometimes? Rohan?
Because, sir, one might get comfortable saying that, okay, fine, I'm in mode of goodness, so I don't need to do anything more. So if you're wise and if everyone has knowledge, then one thinks that he's achieved what he has to achieve. So he doesn't go beyond.
He feels it's better than the rest, Hana?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
The mode of goodness one is more or less free from the sinful active reactions. It's like a computer without virus, runs full speed. And Rajoguna virus has entered now. It disturbs. So much desire, longing, attachment. Whole behavior is different. He has so much appetite for prestige, name, honor. So one of the biggest problems mode of passion is attraction between man and woman. Correct? When sense gratification is the king. And his hankering, he has to work very hard. Mode of passion, generally people work very hard. Mode of goodness, they work more hard, but without burning their stomach. Generally, what happens if you want to be successful, people think I have to go to the mode of passion. Correct? No. Mode of goodness, it is better. How do you say mode of goodness will be better? Chalo, right, karna hai, aisa karna hai. We think like that will help. It doesn't help. Why? Sometimes we think we will take mode of passion to get the work done in this world, but it is not good. We should always in mode of goodness. Why?
Sir, mode of passion means, sir, for example, if a person works very hard, but for some or the other case, he does not get the fruit of his result, he loses all will. But a person in mode of goodness, no matter if he does not get the fruit, he still puts in the same effort that he had put in before.
No, mode of goodness, what happens? He is working out of duty.
Duty, yes.
And mode of passion is working for some selfish desire at the end.
Yes.
Correct? So,
yes.
Therefore, what you said, because if he is not getting that, he will collapse. He'll go into depression. Mode of goodness doesn't matter. It's done out of duty. And when you do something out of duty, you can use your brain. When you're whole day dreaming about the sense object, actually your brain doesn't work properly. Right? You make 10 mistakes and do one good work. Right? So always mode of goodness should be, we should not go below mode of goodness in At least for devotees. For anybody, it's not good, but at least we should not do that foolishness. He has to work, and this is desire for some silly thing. These things, mode of goodness, you can understand. That animals also get. What is the working for all this? What a donkey sees a she donkey, he runs hard. What's the difference between him and us? Anna, there's no difference. So mode of goodness means there is prakasha, there is knowledge. He's not stupid. Just a Bhagavad Gita Krishna wants. Yehi samsparsha jab hoga dukha yona vevate. Because what happens, you get entangled, then the attachment develops, then you cry when the thing goes away. As a duty. Always we should not go below the standard of duty. Yes, my duty. So it's just like, say, suppose you have a son. You're taking care of him. And he doesn't listen to you, does this, you don't get disturbed. As my duty, I'm taking care. Take a nap. But suppose you're doing out of attachment, when he doesn't listen to you, you cannot sleep then. Understand? So that's not the way to work. Way is as a duty. And when you do as a duty, you become also worshipable. Just like, say, the Prime Minister of country. Now, if you say that I'm the Prime Minister because I did work hard 10 years, now you give me at least 100 crore rupees, you lose all respect. Hey, you're a dirty fellow. You just work for some personal selfishness. But you know he's doing just as a duty. Oh, that become respectable. Just like your parents. Why do we respect parents? They're doing out of duty. But if there's some fruit in the end, then you lose interest. But no, generally that doesn't happen. Correct? Out of duty. So duty is a standard of goodness. So therefore we should be on that. This all is. And we don't like to show that also. But you take in a college when you passed out, you took a convocation ceremony was there. Some oath was taken. क्या बोला था उसमें?
Sir, oath पता नहीं sir वो.
कुछ बोला था. In medical, they have big oath, and they're hardly there. They're all sitting there just like a business shop. More and more today. So therefore, patients, there is no respect for medical profession now. दुकान खोल के बैठे, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Understand? Oh, they take big. Oh, I will do this. I for my this, for my this. What were they trying to do? Show that there is no standard of duty. Correct? Nobody likes to admit. Does anybody likes to admit, even a minister or MLA? We know they have come to just make some money and get some power. But what they say, no, I want to serve the country. Correct or not? You understand? Nobody like to admit. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But why I
Yes,
come to
Prabhu.
America? Anybody will admit, I come to make some money, make some good facility. Nobody will say, no, I just wanted to contribute to my country, learn some technology. Big thing they'll speak. Isn't it true? And the weekend, first thing they will drink up all the money in the weekend itself. If the money survives, that they weekend drinking parties, they will use it for some personal big car or big house. But they'll not like to admit that. So nobody likes to be actually admit they are in mode of passion or ignorance. We all like to show that we are on a mode of goodness. We're trying to do some duty, but very rare we see somebody is on that, and somebody who's on that becomes worshipable. True?
Yes.
So how do you come to mode of goodness? By proper devotion service. But our goal is not mode of goodness. Our goal is duty, not to the, what kind of duty? Duty to Krishna. Oh, that's even highest. Modern civilization advanced in the mode of passion, correct? In this modern civilization, this is what it is. Everybody is working hard and people are actually, Prabhupada said, formally the advancement was in the mode of goodness. Generally what happens, people are sleeping all the time. They're mode of ignorance. Everybody, Kali Yuga means they are lazy. Now, all the motivation speakers push them to come to mode of passion. They don't give them mode of goodness immediately, correct? Neither they have, mostly. So they give them mode of passion. You can achieve it. It's possible for you. And people hear, oh, yeah, I can. Mode of passion. I was just hearing Vivek Bindra. Just mode of passion. He pushes people to, he knows he cannot give goodness. But, and people love it. Therefore, Varnashrama, people love Varnashrama kind of teaching, You're a Vaishya. I said, yeah, you can make a lot of money. Just you have to be a little focused. Oh, that Swamiji is so much. So good. And we go and say, Nadhanamana Sundari. Forget all this. kya bore hai, pata nahi kya bolta rehta. You understand? He can't handle it. Okay, so mode of people are sleeping, you motivate them to mode of passion, they'll worship. Okay, na? But that is not our work. We can do that. Okay, na? But that is not the main work Prabhupada has given us. True, a Brahmana, when he goes to Vaishya, he has instruction. When he goes to Shudra, he has instruction. But presently, we are not doing that. We are giving Brahminical teachings. So Brahminical teachings are Nadhanam Najanam. Nadhanam Najanam, it is told to Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras, they can't handle. Correct? True? But people want to be the first class. So I'll give you second class training. No, give me first class. Okay, first class is Nadhanam Najanam. You want to be first class, this is what it is. There are second, third class, and fourth class training. But ISKCON is presently not in the focus because first you have to create enough first class people. Just like, say, I go to school. And many schools we say that can we take some Gita classes? Please. And then I cannot handle what they offer because I don't have enough men. And all the schools will be ready. And you understand. So first you want to create enough first class people, the core. That's what ISKCON is focused on internationally now. But once created a core, then ISKCON will also go to second, third, and fourth class training, which will be different. Even you touch the water, there is a huge demand there. You become, I was saying that Vivek Bindra is immensely popular, 10 million followers, correct? What he's doing, he's giving Varnashram teaching. People love it. You know, correct? Understand? Whatever he speaks, most of it doesn't end in devotional service, correct? But he's very popular. Why? Because people want Varnashram teaching. People want fourth class, third class. They're not interested in first class. Correct? They're not fit for first class. So today what we are teaching is more first class thing because these are the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, and this is the way it is as a Bhagavata commentary on the Bhagavad Gita. This is going as a first class. We're trying to, this is a Paramhamsa Samhita, Bhagavatam. And what commentary we have is the Bhagavata commentary on Bhagavad Gita. Correct? So I mean, you're always promoting the Krishna consciousness, which is even beyond Sataguna, the topmost. See, this is all topmost teachings, and this is what the primary core teachings of ISKCON will be always. Okay, is it fine? But we know there are Rajoguda, which is better than Tamoguda. Prabhupada says modern civilization, perfection is reaching Rajoguda. They don't even know about Sataguda. Mostly Rajoguda. In a movie, who is the hero will always be Rajoguda. He will also have a girlfriend who whole life will be spinning around that. That's why I say don't watch movies because you will go down to Rajoguda because that will be worshipped in that movie. And villain will be in Tamoguda. He'll be drinking, smoking, and he'll be drunk. He will give pain to somebody and will be laughing. Correct? Tamoguda means madness. And hero will be in Rajoguda. You will not find anybody in Satoguna the whole thing. Right? Very rare. Correct? Satoguna means doesn't want anything. Nadhanam, Najanam. Oh, ye to pagal hai. What do you say? Take among your friend circle, normal students which are there. Correct? Tamaguda they may not like. Okay? They don't like lazy. Nobody likes lazy person who is addicted. At least theoretically we don't like. But we talk about somebody who is working hard and he's a hero. Now suppose you go back to your college. Okay? And you will be respected. Oh, he's making a lot of money. You know, he's very, top university, got degree. That's Rajoguda. Okay, na? They want an achiever, material achiever. But you go to the college as a sadhu who doesn't want anything. You understand? Yeah. They will cancel the classes if you will land up in the college. Oh, this is so successful. All of you see here. But you say, no, Nadhanam, Najanam, nobody wants to hear it. So in the society, there is a huge demand for Varnashrama. But our focus has to be first what Prabhupada has told us to do first. Correct? First is actually to develop core. We don't have core now. Hare Krishna Keshava. Okay. Chalo, we continue with this.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna Keshava. Oh, your signal is still coming. Hare Krishna Keshava. Hare Krishna Keshava.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna Keshav
Hare
Prabhu.
Krishna Prabhuji.
Nice.
Hare Krishna, Keshav
Hare Krishna
Prabhu.
Prabhu. after a long time from hearing.
Is our Keshava only? Keshava?
Yeah, yes, bro. Yes, bro.
Oh, now we're waiting for your voice. I was just developing Keshava on this point. I don't know how much it is right. This mode of passion, mode of goodness, mode of ignorance. And I was saying that there is when we generally go, I say Rohan goes back to his college, okay? And he says, introduces, I'm in America, I'm studying in this college, and now I'm doing a job in, say, which is a big dream job in your college, Rohan?
Sir, machine learning and all.
अरे यार मशीन लर्निंग तो छोड़ो उसमें किसी को इंटरेस्ट नहीं है उनको इंटरेस्ट है क्या जॉब क्या है तुम्हारा प्रोफाइल से आफ्टर दैट यू आर वर्किंग फॉर फोर्ड कंपनी देयर ठीक है डिजाइन इंजीनियर एट फोर्ड अमेरिका एंड द कॉलेज प्रिंसिपल इवन सस्पेंड क्लासेस ट्रू so proper saying modern civilization is considered to be advanced in the mode of passion correct okay isn't it है ना
Yeah.
But you say, no, na dhanam, na janam, no sundare. The principal itself will give you only 5 minutes and leave you off. Previously, advancement was considered in the mode of goodness. Isn't it? People not. Goodness means duty. And passion means some desire for enjoyment. So, success is if you do everything as a matter of duty, then you're very peaceful. Okay? You may be doing, you are also an engineer, doesn't matter. Have some duty. Duty makes you worshipable. Mode of passion is selfish. Nobody likes to admit. And the worst is mode of ignorance. So we push ourselves from mode of ignorance to come to mode of passion. From mode of passion, we push ourselves in mode of goodness. And mode of goodness, catch the lotus feet of Krishna and proceed. So now when we are practicing Krishna consciousness, it is not visible. We say, oh, he's doing bhakti. That's okay. That is good. But the mode should be changing because inside what is going on, nobody knows. But externally, the modes are visible. Anna? So modes are even very, very visible. Your eating style, your thinking, your determination, everything changes as the mode changes. Your memory becomes very sharp. Okay. Chalo, we go to 8th.
Prabhuji, as such, just one thing I wanted to ask Prabhuji. Last statement says there is no liberation for those in mode of goodness, what to speak of entangled in mode of passion. Then there is, no chance for me, it appears. Need to
See, when you're practicing Krishna consciousness, we develop these qualities of introspection and we find always a reason to find fault in others and reason to look at good qualities of others. Because the most dangerous thing is that all knowledge and philosophy we use for reverse. A default or mode is to use some philosophy to find fault in others and justify our weaknesses, correct? That's our default. But as a devotee, definitely we start introspecting. And this kind of mood only will make you push. See, if I'll never find fault in myself and introspect, how am I going to advance? Therefore, devotee is always in this mood. Anna? Got it? So don't worry. Because we are finding fault, therefore we advance. No. We see there are elements of mode of ignorance in us. There are elements of mode of passion in us. Then only we advance. But we should, this can be propelling. I want to go to Krishna. I want. Got it? Because you are on the direct path. You're not on indirect path. Direct path is 3 in the last chapter. What are the 3? And direct path, Rohan? Be absorbed in Krishna, to do sadhana, or to support the work of Krishna consciousness. These 3. You are absorbed, you are doing sadhana, or you're not able to do sadhana, you support the work. These 3 are considered direct path. So that's what ISKCON is giving today. But in what Prabhupada talks about Varnashrama, Keshava, I'm just meditating. What Prabhupada says, no, you develop Varnashrama, your movement will be even more successful. Correct? Anna? Varnashrama is indirect path, the next path. Prabhupada talks in the purport there, meditation, knowledge, sarva karma phala tyaga, charity, without connection to Krishna consciousness. These are indirect. So indirect path, general mass of society will actually be a ground for indirect path. But our focus will remain, at least in the moment presently, is on direct path. But when you go for direct path, not everybody is ready also. It's not easy. Anna? It requires faith. Some faith has to be there now to support the work of Krishna consciousness. Some faith. So some people, okay, you have to prepare them ground, make the ground fertile. They cannot follow direct path. Okay, sarva karma phala tyaga. At least do some good work. But our focus remains on 1, 2, 3. Become absorbed in Krishna, do sadhana, and this. So when you are coming on the direct path, then you want to achieve Krishna's lotus feet. And this is for that. There is no liberation for the person in goodness. What is the hope for the people who are in the mode of passion? Correct? So this is introspection. Oh my God, I'm passionate. So in goodness में ही जब वैकुंठ धाम नहीं मिलेगा, passion में कैसे मिलेगा? Keshav, you want to add something here?
No problem. No.
ठीक है, चलो, we proceed more. Things will develop. तमसस्तु अज्ञानजं विद्धि.
तमस्तो अज्ञानजं विद्धि.
तमस्य अज्ञानजं विद्धि.
मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां.
मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां.
प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः.
प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः.
अन्निबध्नाति भारत.
तन्निबध्नाति भारत.
O son of Bharata, the mode of ignorance causes a delusion of all living entities. The result of this mode is madness, indolence, and sleep, which bind the conditioned soul. Yes, Manish.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji. Purport. In this verse, the specific application of the word tu is very significant. This means that the mode of ignorance is a very peculiar qualification of the embodied soul. This mode of ignorance is just the opposite of the mode of goodness. In the mode of goodness, by development of knowledge, one can understand what is what, but the mode of ignorance is just the opposite. Everyone under the spell of the mode of ignorance becomes mad, and a madman cannot understand what is what. Instead of making advancement, one becomes degraded. The definition of the mode of ignorance is stated in the Vedic literature. Under the spell of ignorance, one cannot understand the thing as it is. For example, everyone can see that his grandfather has died, and therefore he will also die. Man is mortal. The children that he conceives will also die. So death is sure. Still, people are madly accumulating money and working very hard all day and night, not caring for the eternal spirit. This is madness. In their madness, they are very reluctant to make advancement in spiritual understanding. Such people are very lazy. When they are invited to associate for spiritual understanding, they are not much interested. They are not even active, like the man who is controlled by the mode of passion. Thus, another symptom of one embedded in the mode of ignorance is that he sleeps more than is required. 6 hours of sleep is sufficient. But a man in the mode of ignorance sleeps at least 10 or 12 hours a day. Such a man appears to be always dejected and is addicted to intoxicants and sleeping. These are the symptoms of a person conditioned by the mode of ignorance. Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
So beautiful these are. Actually, this chapter of mode of modes is right in the beginning also we can read. The chapter comes in the 14th chapter. Very easy and very understandable, very relevant. So causes total delusion, madness, indolence, and sleep. And the word tu, Very peculiar. Keshav Prabhu, how do you say this is, why Prabhupada says this word? Very peculiar. Huh? You can figure out why he is saying to very peculiar. Very special kind. See, mode of goodness is working to develop knowledge. Mode of passion, he is working to get some sense gratification. Ignorance का कुछ purpose समझ नहीं आता है. Therefore, mad or what we say, no? Correct? It's very unique, very special, because it's not cannot understand why is he doing, what is he doing. Whimsical, isn't it, Keshav? Huh? So for somebody coming from the spiritual world like Srila Prabhupada, it's very peculiar in this world. चलो ये तो समझ आता है, spiritual world everybody working to serve Krishna. Material world समझ आता है, people are working for their sense gratification. This ignorance समझ नहीं आता है, what is the reason for it, है ना? Correct? How did it develop then? How is that people come to this level? I had my experience in the college when too much, we think about sense gratification. A situation comes of actually madness. You can't do anything. You just collapse. Rohan, you had any idea of that? No, you were always Satvik and Rajsik minimum. Huh?
No, sir. Actually, sir, if, for example, sir, it happened to me last time. There's one subject that I was taking, and in that subject, somehow I worked very hard, but did not score well in that subject. So much it affected me that उसको पढ़ना ही छोड़ दिया, sir. So in that way, sir, like I can understand that if someone cannot achieve something, then he totally leaves that. He does not work only, and he becomes lazy on that area.
You don't have an experience of more ignorance. You are Satvik and then Rajsik, minimum. It becomes mad. One becomes degraded. One cannot understand. For example, one can see that his grandfather has died. Prabhupada is saying he will die. He doesn't understand this. Death is sure.
Yes, yes.
Oh, people are working day and night hard, not taking care of the eternal spirit. That is madness. Totally absorbed in material pursuits and not having any idea about Krishna consciousness. They are very reluctant to make advances in spiritual understanding. Very lazy.
प्रभु जी,
हाँ,
एक ये पक्षी है ना, वो जब कोई जानवर आता है तो अपना सर ये रेत के अंदर डाल लेता है. उसको लगता है कि मैं नहीं देख रहा हूँ तो कोई मुझे नहीं खाएगा. वैसा इग्नोरेंस है. वो सूत्र में देखना.
See, in mode of goodness, now there is pain and tomorrow there will be happiness. So understand it. Correct? अभी थोड़ा दर्द है, जैसे ये रोहन बता रहे हैं, मेहनत कर रहे हैं, समझ नहीं आ रहा सब्जेक्ट, बट आगे खुशी है, चलो कोर्स पास हो जाएगा. और मोड ऑफ पैशन में अभी मजा है, चलो दारू विल बिकम इग्नोरेंस, चलो अभी एंजॉय करेंगे. हाँ, okay. And now because today enjoyment itself is mode of ignorance, because passion there is no sinful activity. ठीक है? Any example of mode of passion? But tomorrow
बहुत काम करेंगे, कल पैसा मिलेगा ऐसा. बहुत काम करेंगे.
नहीं, तो mode of passion नहीं. अभी so mode of passion में now there is enjoyment, tomorrow there is pain. Any example of that? Mode of goodness, now there is pain, tomorrow there is enjoyment. Like goodness is more on purification of consciousness. Now there is pain, Spiritual life, now we are taking pain. We are also doing sadhana, correct? Getting up in the morning, that is pain. But tomorrow there is happiness because heart is purified. And goodness is, I'll take now almost like spiritual. Now, what about passion? Take an example of passion. Now there is enjoyment.
Prabhuji, like
but tomorrow there is pain.
Can I add, Prabhuji?
Yes, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. The wasting of a time. Wasting of time. We're happy in watching the movies and everything, but tomorrow we'll see the pain in that one.
Yeah, we will see the pain because tomorrow you failed in the subject. Yes. You take like this, Rohan. Do you have friends and you're joking with them? Because I want to avoid ignorance out. Okay? So there is enjoyment now. There is going to be pain tomorrow.
Yes.
Ignorance is you are drinking now. There is pain now. You're killing your liver, kidney, or you're putting a needle of drug. Painful when you put the drug. And later it is more pain. So goodness is pain to pleasure. Passion is pleasure to pain. And ignorance is pain to pain. Therefore, it is not understandable. मतलब क्या है इसका समझ नहीं आ रहा. चलो अभी तो मजा किया, चलो आगे दर्द हुआ. अभी दर्द किया, आगे मजा आया. ये क्या है? दर्द का फिर और दर्द, है ना? है ना? दारू पी रहा है, दर्द और मर गए उसके बाद. छुट्टी.
You're digging yourself. You're digging, killing yourself.
Correct. Therefore, it is called madness.
Madness.
Madness. Yes. Rajoguna is not called madness in higher spiritual sense. Prabhupada said that is also madness. That is true. But if you technically come to Rajoguna, that's not madness. Actually, आगे तो enjoy करेगा. No, sorry, अभी तो enjoy कर रहा है. But that enjoyment is temporary and foolishness. On spiritual platform, Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Ralmo both rejected. Okay? We only look at goodness because that can help you to come to Krishna consciousness. But Prabhupada says it is dangerous. Like one disciple went to Srila Prabhupada. Said, Prabhupada, on your order, I am following all the rules, but sometimes the mind is harassing. Prabhupada said, watch out. It's very dangerous. Any day you'll fall down. Correct? You cannot take it for granted. Oh, chalta hai. Sometimes material disasters come. No, you can fall down. So we reject both Rajoguna, Tamoguna because we want only Sattaguna. But in society, there are people who are rasic, but at least they don't do sinful activities. They're reluctant to make advancement in Tamoguna. Such people are very lazy. And but also Rajoguna leads to Tamoguna, so we don't encourage. When they invite to a state of spiritual understanding, they are not very much interested. Okay. But in Varnashrama, when you see Rasic people, they are devoted. They are devoted. We don't kill them, we devotate them. They're not even acting like a man who's controlled by the mode of passion. Another person to mode of ignorance sleeps more than required. Kitna gante? Prabhupada says 6, not more than 6. Shriram, 12, 15.
Yes, प्रभु जी, बहुत खराब होता है प्रभु जी. एंड हम लोग का ऐसा हो गया ना, वीकेंड वाला जो भी कॉर्पोरेट वाले लोग हैं, वीकेंड पे तो वो एकदम ही 12 घंटा भी हो जाए, 15 घंटा.
आजकल तो पूरा वीकेंड ही बन गया ना. लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता संडे कौन है. सारे दिन बराबर हो गए, है ना?
बिल्कुल प्रभु.
रोहन, इधर कितना हाल है? आपके निट्टे में तो सब 12 घंटे सोते थे. इधर कितना सोते हैं?
Either, sir, now holidays are going, sir. Friends sleep like 10 hours.
Okay, common. That's quite common. है ना? Prabhupada जी बोले ना, at least 10 देखो उनको बोलो 10 भी है उसमें, 10 to 12 है. Rajoguna.
Yes.
Somebody was telling very interesting. He was telling me, Tamoguna you sleep a lot. Sattuguna you sleep what is needed, and Rajoguna you sleep less because you can't sleep. You have so much desire for material plans, है ना? And in Krishna consciousness also they don't sleep because intense compassion on living in. Like Prabhupada is not able to sleep because of his compassion. Because Paradukha Dukhi, a Vaishnava sees pain, he sees people are suffering. How can he sleep? Are you in the platform, Rohan? Nahi aa rahi. People are suffering. Tears are coming in the eyes, seeing people suffering, going to hell. Prabhupada can see people are going to hell. They're going to suffer. Like Parikshit Maharaj asked now, my dear Shukadev Goswami, is there any way we can stop people from go to hell? Then Shukadev Goswami gives different ways. Correct? Is there any way it can be? Then he talks of prayashita is to cultivate jnana, and that's it. Kechit kevalaya bhakta vasudeva parayana. Like yesterday we read that Vedavyasa also, people are unnecessarily suffering, and therefore Vidwan Chakre Satu Samhita, Vedavyasa sat down to come and give the Satu Samhita, he gave Bhagavatam to the world to be saved from suffering in the material world. Right? The Prabhupada is also in the same mode thinking, how to save. So you cannot sleep on that platform. Okay? Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Out of
Can't
compassion
imagine.
for the living. That's another platform. There the sleep, people hardly sleep. But normal, I can feel a Sattvic man will sleep 6 hours. Tamasic man 10 to 12 hours. A Rasic man I used to put between 6 and 12. But I feel Rasic man will sleep just 3-4 hours. You see all these people who are big corporate, big even prime ministers in the world.
Yes.
They don't sleep more than 4 hours. When Obama came to India, first question he asked Modi, do you get enough sleep? Because they don't get sleep. Anna? What do you say, Keshav, on this? Where do you place Rajoguna? Do you say Rajoguna will be 8 hours or 4 hours?
Maybe 4 hours, Prabhu.
Huh?
Maybe 4 hours, as you say.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
Sattvic man will, that's what Bhagavad Gita says. No, it should be balanced. That is Sattva Guda. Neither less, neither more. Anna?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
And we cannot imitate Prabhupada. You'll fall down. Prabhupada with an intense compassion. You have to have a heart pure of that platform. Anna? You say, no, I'll also sleep 2-3 hours. You have no compassion. You're in the mode. You'll start behaving Rasik. You'll like the Goswamis. Prabhupada says sometimes they're not even sleeping 2 hours. Even sometimes the secretary used to say that when Prabhupada used to go from India to America, and they have a jet lag. Prabhupada used to, at 6 o'clock, what he does what he does. He had so much tapashakti in his body, but not out of Rajoguna, out of intense compassion. He was at 6 o'clock, oh, chalo, let us go for a morning walk. Oh my shock. And that the secretaries are sleeping. They have to, one day sleep, they have to cover up, they can't handle that. Just do is unimaginable. And to maintain that is a Nitya Siddha. See, one day, okay, we read some purport, some association, for a moment we get inspired, chalo. Not that day. But if you're maintaining Sthai Bhav, that means you're a very advanced personality. Maya can't touch you only, constantly in that platform. And the moment something comes, a quote or something, your tears are flowing. They burst out. Your heart sometimes burst out. Correct? Therefore, when I met Jayapataka Maharaj, he was telling, he was not part of this world. People who are there with him knew he was not part of this world. Hey, Keshava, there is something which I told you yesterday also. See, his secretary, Jayapataka Maharaj's secretary said on 4th, correct? There is Paniyati, no? Correct?
Yeah.
So he said he will. I said, why don't now this system is better, no? Correct? We can take advantage of. We are part of this ISKCON movement, and we can take advantage. So I said, why don't you address us on Paniyati? Correct? And people don't have to travel now. The situation is actually better because in the sense work is done now. To a large extent, work is done now using technology. Traveling also using technology. This is also technology. There is not much difference. Correct? Face-to-face meeting is okay, definitely much better. But see, so much effort is saved. Correct? So he said, okay, I will come. So he will take class on night 8 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay. So if you can, if your connection works, really nice. Huh?
4th, is it?
Huh? 4th.
Yeah.
Just a day after tomorrow, in the evening, 8 o'clock. And he will said, I'll take class 8 o'clock. And then I said, no, you please talk to everybody for 2 minutes. Said, I'll do that. Okay. And that is, they call it visiting the home, basically. People even, just generally, it's nice, no? He's the eldest now disciple of Prabhupada, correct? And we take his blessing. That's all. He's also my GBC, but he is not in that mood. He's very affectionate. So, Rohan, Dharmesh ji, Manish.
जी प्रभु जी
Yes, sir.
जरूर
I'll
आएंगे
be there, sir.
जरूर
Yes,
प्रभु जी
Waiting.
Thank you very
Hare
much.
Krishna. Preeti,
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु जी
8 o'clock. तो आप डिनर बना रहे होंगे, डिनर खा रहे होंगे.
प्रभु जी
हाँ, ठीक है. You see the reality. ठीक है. And Anil is there. Arpita Mataji, Hare Krishna. You are in Bangalore only.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah, you can also. Okay. Keep.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. And Preeti. Shriramji. Ready?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji.
And if your camera works, that is better. Generally, people show also the altar. Most of the people show the altar. And okay. Other symptom of one embedded in the mode of ignorance, sleep more than required. So I think Keshava, you feel more of Rajoguna, he sleeps even less sometimes, Anna? Correct? But
Yeah,
that
maybe.
kind of thing, huh?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
Maybe. I was just analyzing. Where do you put him? You put him above 6, but because Bhagavad Gita has the shloka, no, yukta ahara viharasya, Anna?
Yeah.
So he is not balanced. Rajoguna is also not balanced. He goes maybe over, and therefore he burns his stomach and burns his acidity and short of sleep. It's like my younger brother when I see him, he's not sleeping 6 hours. Okay, he doesn't get. He's always when I'm talking to him, he falls asleep because he's relaxed and he is short of sleep. I was trying to show him some videos, but I saw that he falls asleep because he is short of sleep. But why is he short of sleep? Because Rajoguna definitely is not. Rajoguna achieve, work hard. 6 hours sleep is sufficient. Mode of ignorance sleep at least 10 hours. Such a man appears always dejected, agitated, intoxicant, and sleeping. He is mad. Symptom, person, condition, mode of ignorance. So whatever condition, we should not break regulated principles because then we come down to the mode of ignorance. And Rajoguna, you are trying to enjoy, but you're trying to enjoy in a dharmic way. Varnashrama now. You come down to Kshatriya platform, Vaishya, you're trying to enjoy in a dharmic way. Rules and regulations you're following. You don't break rules and regulations, but you are in a more of pravritti marga. And Satoguna is inducement for nivritti marga. Person is nadhanam najanam sansundari. He is on another platform, working as a matter of duty. And Tamoguna, just sleeping. He will get hungry, therefore he works. Almost animal life. Okay? And he doesn't care about dharma, nothing. You break all the regulated principles. Tamoguna. And dejected, addicted. Now, Kalo Shudra Sambhava, when it is said the statement, because people in Kali Yuga don't think second time before breaking regulated principles. They don't think. Therefore, they are Shudra Sambhava. Okay, we go next.
Yes, sir.
Prabhuji,
yeah.
The population of the Tamoguna is increasing in the Kali Yuga in comparison with the Sattva Yuga and Treta Yuga.
Sattva Yuga is only Paramahamsas.
Paramahamsas. And here in Kali Yuga, everybody is going for ignorance only.
Other extreme. You see, even that when he is speaking, Parikshit Maharaj to Shukadeva Goswami discussion is going on. Look at the kind of statements are made by Shaunaka Muni. Look at the kind of statements he makes. If you look in Bhagavatam, Shaunaka Muni represents the audience. They look to all Paramahamsas. Keshava, did you notice that?
Yeah, yes, bro.
Amazing. That he's very advanced. My God, unimaginably advanced. The 6 questions he asks itself looks bewildering. And then once Suta Goswami says, I want to tell about how Parikshit Maharaj was about to sufficiently punish the person who was hurting cow. They say, is it connected to Krishna? What's sufficient? He should have killed him. No, what is it? Somebody is harassing a cow. He should have killed. But anyway, why are you talking about it? Is there anything related to Krishna consciousness? Don't waste one moment. We don't want to waste. They look to be highly advanced. And those statements which come in the second canto, no? So many statements which are there in the second category. It looks like very advanced. The audience is very advanced. The Apar Yuga is also not ordinary, extraordinary people. Very extraordinary. Chalo. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati.
Satyam sukhe sanjayate.
Rajah karmani bharata.
Rajah karmani bharata.
Jnanamavritya tu tamaha. Pramade sanjayati uta.
Pramade
Jayadauta.
More the goodness conditions want to happiness, the passion conditions into fruits of action, and ignorance to madness. Yes, who's going to reach? Gayatri Mataji, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Puppet. A person in the mode of goodness is satisfied by his work or intellectual pursuit. Just as a philosopher, scientist, or educator may be engaged in a particular field of knowledge and may be satisfied in that way, a man in the modes of passion and goodness may be engaged in fruitive activity. He owns as much as he can and spends for good causes. Sometimes he tries to open hospitals, give to charity institutions, etc. These are the signs of one in the mode of passion, and the mode of ignorance covers knowledge. In the mode of ignorance, whatever one does is neither good for him nor for anyone. Hare Krishna.
Therefore it is. Chalo, let us analyze this now. Mode of goodness is satisfied by his work or intellectual pursuit, scientist, because he does good out of sense of duty. That is what is driving him. And his goodness is knowledge. He wants knowledge. Passion, he wants money and power. Ignorance is madness. He just wants to sleep. You know, nobody said, we say, no, mad or what? He's taking drugs, he's drinking. Pagal hai kya? That's mode of ignorance. Mode of passion, engage in fruitive activity. He owns as much as he can. He needed. And he spends for good causes. Okay, there's some, both of them are mixed here. There's some kind of open hospitals, give charity. But in the mode of ignorance covers total knowledge. And ignorance is neither good for him nor to others. Okay?
Charity will come in passion, Prabhuji. Charity may be part of.
Now depends. There is charity in goodness also, charity in passion also, charity in ignorance also.
Yes,
Goodness given the right place to the right person with the respect. Passion you give grudgingly because out of obligation. And in ignorance you give to the wrong person, the wrong time, for the wrong purpose, without any respect. Sometimes somebody pushes you, whether you give any goes and drinks. That's kind of charity in model.
Like another example, Prabhu, giving a son, giving a money to son, going to temple is a mode of goodness.
Okay.
Giving a money for going to movie is a mode of passion or ignorance.
Depend on what kind of movie it was.
Yes. As a Prabhu, last sloka, tu is used for a colloquial, some sort of a awkward person.
Awkward.
Yeah.
Tu. Very surprising.
Madness.
Not understand.
You're not doing a good work. Like a scolding type. Scolding.
So we say, somebody is behaving in strange way. What do we say?
Pagal.
Cannot understand.
Cannot understand. Yeah.
But it does happen, and we have been part of colleges. We have seen, experienced, and seen other people also in moderator.
Where a person does not do the work properly.
As a very strange cheez. We all know about it. But it's not very strange. Ignorance means you feel, if you are a gentleman, you feel ashamed of what you do out of ignorance.
Yes.
Chalo. One more, last. Rajas tamascha vibhuya.
Rajas tamascha vibhuya.
Tam bhavati bharata.
Sattam bhavati bharata.
Rajas sattam tamaschaiva.
Sattam tamaschaiva.
Asattam rajas tatha.
Tamasattam rajas tatha.
Sometimes the mode of passion become prominent, defeating mode of goodness on a Bharata. Sometimes mode of goodness defeat passion, and sometimes mode of ignorance defeat goodness and passion. In this way, there is always a competition for supremacy. Anil, you can read.
Yes, sir. Perfect. When the mode of passion is prominent, the modes of goodness and ignorance are defeated. When the mode of goodness is prominent, passion and ignorance are defeated. And when the mode of ignorance is prominent, passion and goodness are defeated. This competition is always going on. Therefore, one who is actually intent on advancing in Krishna consciousness has to transcend these three modes. The prominence of some certain mode of nature is manifested in one's dealings, in his activities, in eating, etc. All this will be explained in later chapters. But if one wants, he can develop by patience the mode of goodness and thus defeat the modes of ignorance and passion. One can similarly develop the mode of passion and defeat goodness and ignorance, or one can develop the mode of ignorance and defeat goodness and passion. Although there are these three modes of material nature, if one is determined, he can be blessed by the mode of goodness, and by transcending the mode of goodness, he can be situated in pure goodness, which is called the Vasudeva state, a state in which one can understand the science of God. By the manifestation of particular activities, it can be understood in what mode of nature one is situated. Hare Krishna.
So Prabhupada is saying this is our target. This all is going on. These modes are competing with each other constantly. Correct? We take bath in the morning, we are in the mode of goodness. And very soon we go into mode of ignorance. But Prabhupada says no. If one is determined, what is the point? One is determined. He can be blessed by the mode of goodness. Correct? So to achieve this itself is a challenge. Determined. But for that you should be determined. And then you can transcend the mode of goodness, situated in pure goodness. So just like, see, we are chanting Hare Krishna now. At the same time, when you're taking medicine, you should see your temperature. है ना? दवाई ये chapter बताए क्यों? What is the need? We are Krishna conscious. What do you do with Rajoguna Tamoguna? No, sir. You are there only now. Watch out. So we look at temperature, 103, 105. है ना? Correct? Why we see temperature? Because we are taking medicine. No. They don't need to see temperature. No, I'm taking medicine. But is the medicine working? So similarly, we are chanting Hare Krishna, but this all mode should go away. But it is still there. The reality is we are infected, so we watch out. So Prabhupada said, when you're practicing sincerely, you will come in the mode of goodness. Your mind, no dvanda, freshness in the mind. Correct? Tve dvanda moha nirmuktam bhajante mam dhrida vrataha. Correct? Mind is fresh, totally pure. And then you can, you are practicing Krishna consciousness, you will see, you will jump to, like a dry wood easily burns, you will jump to Krishna consciousness. When can situated in pure goodness, situated. Not that, okay, abhi japa kiya, thoda goodness feel ho raha hai, and then passion and goodness. No, you will actually come situated permanently in mode of Krishna consciousness. So they should be changed. Okay, I'm practicing Krishna consciousness, they should be changed and permanent change. The modes are actually influences reduced. And it takes time. It is not 1 or 2 days time. Therefore, Krishna consciousness is a cultivation. Anna Dharmeshi, it doesn't happen in 1 day. It takes time. Everything takes time. If you're sincerely engaged, just like you switch off the fan will keep moving. It will keep moving.
Churning process.
So there are 3 modes. If one is determined, he can be blessed by the mode of goodness. Determined. But transcending. Somebody asked Srila Prabhupada, how do we reach to good mode of goodness? Prabhupada strictly follow the 4 agreements. Strictly. But you cannot speak on that platform without chanting. You're sincerely chanting, it will come to help you very easily follow the 4 agreed principles, and then you will jump into the details of pleasure of Krishna consciousness. Waves, ripples, that will remain only a story for us. If you have not gone through, we have to go through goodness only when you go to Vaishnava. Presently, we are in Vaishnava culture, we are in Brahminical training, that's there. But we are taking medicine, which are meant to become a Vaishnava. But then the effect should come. We have to go through mode of good. What do you say, Keshava?
Yes, Prabhu. Prabhupada says this in this purport to Hare Krishna mantra. That Prabhupada has written that purport for Hare Krishna mantra. This Hare Krishna mantra, he starts like that.
Yeah.
He says in that, this transcend all these levels of intelligence and mind and body. Hare Krishna mantra.
Yes. Yeah. Correct. And so the person is mystically directly pulled above all these modes together, Hannah?
Yeah.
Thrown up, correct?
He says directly.
So in that respect, you say that it's thrown directly.
That represents those three stages. Represents three modes only, no, bro. Bodily state is ignorance, and mind is
ignorance. You can say essential is more.
Yeah.
From mind and intellectual, the Sattva-guna has come and started.
Yeah. So Prabhupada says
we do that. Bodily platforms. It's thrown in the spiritual platform. That's the potency of the Hare Krishna. So if we can constantly chant the Hare Krishna mantra, actually, for us, 16 round means constant chanting. Actually, constant chanting is not possible for at the neophyte stage we are in. So 16 round represents the constant chanting. We're neatly doing 16 round. But if the time is there, we should do more. Just like people who are in temple services, and today everybody in temple services, or this, they should chant more because more time is there now. Correct? But as much person can chant, and then we are directly thrown into the platform. That much potency Hare Krishna mantra has. But Prabhupada sometimes also says balance should always remain in Sattva-guna. It should not go down. Correct? General platform, not always we will be in waves and it's not there. We are not in that qualification. Prabhupada said, don't go below Sattva-guna. So Prabhupada said, determined. We should be determined to stay in the mode of goodness and transcending mode of goodness. Jump into Krishna consciousness. So where manifestation personal activity, it can be understood what kind of mode one is. Okay, all beautiful shlokas this area. Okay, and at least inspires us to the mode of goodness and the danger of coming in the mode of ignorance and the Vayavirya mode of passion.
Prabhuji. The day is also divided into three. In the morning, let us say morning 7 to 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock. In middle, maybe 4 to 6 hours of passion. The evening hours, the night hours, maybe tamoguna.
Keshav, what do you like to say?
Yes, bro. Even like Hare Krishna.
Yeah,
everything has three modes now. That's what I think.
No, we didn't hear.
Everything has three modes.
No, they say in the morning time. Yes. So the morning time is more sattvic than this time, Hannah? Correct?
Yeah.
And afternoon is passionate, and night is has more influence of tamoguna, Hannah?
Yeah.
Because what happened when I was in Salala, I asked my Mataji. She came from Gujarat to teach us. I asked her, Madam, sometimes I don't find chanting the time, the morning hours. Can I chant in the night? No. She said morning was Sattva Guna. In the evening hours, night, you'll tend toward the Tamoguna. I don't prefer in the evening hours, night hours. From that, I got an idea actually. For that, in the morning, we don't speak any other thing. We just only pray for the God only. Because we feel something, the mind gets disturbed actually.
Morning, you go for a you go for a walk. You always feel goodness. Now you can't go anywhere. You're locked down. And the Keshava place, they're crushed.
So,
what happened? They gave Ayurveda medicines.
Problem is not with the time. It's the problem is with us.
Yeah, develop on that, Keshava.
No, like there is also a shloka where in Bhagavad Gita, I think 2nd chapter, when the night for the ignorant people starts, it is day for intelligent people. So isn't it, Prabhu?
Yeah, yeah.
And moreover, Hare Krishna.
Yeah, we are hearing, Keshwa.
The problem is with us, Prabhu, that time doesn't have a problem. Of course, it may affect us more because we are weak. So, yeah, morning time is better to chant. That's why Prabhupada has prescribed morning.
Yeah, Prabhupada was a whole night writing. It's not affecting him. It's not affecting him. And that is supposed to be a heavy tamoguna time, correct? Tonight, 12 o'clock, Hannah? Not affecting. You know, that very nice. You know that Prabhupada going to America? The Tulsi Gabbard, you know that? She is a, she made a very sweet statement. She said, you want to understand why Prabhupada went from India to America? You cannot understand it unless you have holy name on your mouth, in your heart. You cannot understand. You cannot even understand why he went. We went out of great compassion, but you cannot understand what he was doing. What was his heart? You cannot understand. You have to the name of the Lord in your mouth and your heart. Then you can understand what he did. Correct? Everybody was talking, he went on Guru's order. That's true. But, what is his heart? The intense compassion. Samsara Damanala. She said, you cannot understand. Because she's speaking to public, no? You have to have the holy name on your mouth and your heart. And then you can know what he was doing. It's another platform itself. It is totally different platform. We are studying here goodness, passion, where these, and imagine Prabhupada has to write all this kachara. Goodness, ignorance. Chalo. Okay, so this is good. As a teacher, he has to do, because Varnashrama is part of society. Therefore, Rajoguna, Tamoguna, Satoguna. In the Vedic culture, actually, the modes are dovetailed. Everybody is engaged according to the mode. We don't kill them. I hate the sin, not the sinner. And everybody is dovetailed in work. But presently, what we do generally in our Darsha Kesha, trying to understand proper instruction was, I preached. But if you develop Varnashrama, your preaching will explode. Correct? That is in the Vedic society. Overall, now the Vedic society, when it is developed, everybody is engaged according to different modes. Correct? But today our teaching is Nadhanam Najanam. And this will continue till we form enough core. And if core is not there, then it will all collapse. Correct? You have to develop the core. Core should be the people who develop Brahminical culture. And once it is established and the core is solid, then we can bring in the Varnashrama. A long way to go. Now everybody is talking about whole ISKCON Kesha about securing our food. Because we had a little disturbance. Okay, this was just a small disturbance, but people could see that staying in the city became almost impractical. Just like we are in the city now, there's no utility. What I'm doing now, I can do sitting in a village also, no? Correct? Because nobody can come to temple. Gates are locked in 3 months, just imagine. So imagine there's a small jerk. A bigger jerk can come, like God forbid, a war or even bigger epidemic. So at that time, what will become artificial civilization is becoming a joke now. And more and more visible, what Prabhupada said, secure your food, secure your food. So now many people all temples are talking about we should secure our food. But we could see that everybody is buying only what he needs. And economy is collapsing. It's not that people are eating, they're eating, but they're buying only what they need. Spending weekend parties, buying luxury goods. All things are gone now. Cinema halls all are gone. And all that industry is in a huge trouble. Big industry.
Tending towards Sattva-guna.
It can be used for that purpose.
Yes.
Babuji?
Keshava, anything with boost immunity? Because see, this month in India is going to be very bad. The infection, it is exploding. Anything which boosts immunity for devotees?
Yeah, there are some tablets.
Ayurveda?
Yeah, yes, Prabhu.
Which ones?
I'll mail it. I send it to you. WhatsApp.
Yeah, do send. America is lucky now; it has peaked. Now it is going down, है ना? But India's population is massive. I don't know when it will peak. They are predicted by June end. The astrologers saying the Jupiter is in the wrong place. By June end, it comes to the right place. That's the astrologers are telling, all of them. Okay, unanimous on that point. But still, we have to protect our community now, correct? Because they are making things open, and people are moving in from all parts of India now, even to, that yesterday 77 people in Deakin. We should be careful, correct? So you write to me, okay? So immunity boosting. Okay, fourth, please keep in mind, if you can all help me in that. And also it is good, always take blessings of Vaishnavas, correct? Yes, Rohan, Shreyas, Shriram, Manish, take care. I'll send you the link, everybody. Take care.
Yes, sir. With all.
Yes,
8 o'clock,
Prabhuji.
sir. 4th June, 8 in the evening.
Yes, Prabhuji.
And I'll introduce everybody. Don't worry. Okay. Just
Okay,
2 minutes. That's all. Everybody. I structured it like that, so it looks nice. You have all practicing Krishna consciousness. Take blessing.
Prabhuji, can you repeat once again what timing and which date it is?
8 o'clock. Write down on your board. 8 o'clock on 4th. Okay.
Okay, Prabhuji.
Actually, they're having huge Paniyati festival definitely in the afternoon in Mayapur. Anna?
Yeah.
This is in the night, but we will say Paniyati with Jayapataka Maharaj. People will be very happy. Anna?
Yeah.
And I have some blessings. Okay. Srila Prabhupada ki.
Jai.
Jai, Jai.
Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha.
Vaishnav
Ki Jai.